This is the independent practice for 8.5. Working on inequalities still. Hopefully you've had a chance to try 1 through 7, and I'll go through these, and you can see how you did. Number 1 says 1 plus f is less than 7. So there's your inequality. This is not an equal sign. If that was an equal sign, it'd be an equality, but it's an inequality. Now you have 3 choices, 5, 6, 7. Let's plug one in. 1 plus 5 is less than 7. That's 6 is less than 7. That works. 6. 1 plus 6, less than 7. That's 7 is less than 7. No, it's not. That one doesn't work. If 6 doesn't work, 7 doesn't work either. 5 is your solution. Okay, let's go to number 2. We have g minus 3 is greater than 4. There's your inequality. You have 6, 7, 8. One of those has to work. Let's start with 6. 6 minus 3, is that greater than 4? That would be 3 greater than 4. Nope. Let's do 7. G minus 3 greater than 4. If g is 7, 7 minus 3 greater than 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Is 4 greater than 4? Nope. Oopsie. No, 7 doesn't work. So let's try 8. 8 minus 3 greater than 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. Is 5 greater than 4? Yes. So my answer is 8. Okay, number 3. Let's see if this is a solution. Q minus 2 greater than 16 if Q is 20. So we have 20 minus 2 greater than 16. 20 minus 2 is 18. Is 18 greater than 16? Yes. Okay. When you have an inequality, there's infinite number of possibilities. And by infinite, I mean endless. But you find one that does work, and 20 does work. Okay. Let's go to 4. T minus 7 is less than 10. If t is 28, is that work? So let's put it in. 28 minus 7 less than 10. 28 minus 7 is 21. Is that less than 10? No way. It's way more than 10. So no, 28 is not a solution to that inequality. Okay. Let's go over here to 5, and I think we need this chart or table. The table shows the number of different types of roller coasters in the United States. An amusement park wants to build a new roller coaster. They will only build a roller coaster if there are less than 10 of the type in the United States. Use the inequality R is less than 10, where R is the number of a certain type. Okay, only want these that fit into something less than 10. Is 460 less than 10? Absolutely not. 110? No. 46 less than 10? No. 9? Is 9 less than 10? Yep. 7 less than 10? And 5 less than 10. So the 3 they would build would be flying, stand up, and suspended. Okay, let's go to number 6. The table shows the number of different types of movies in LeVar's collection. He wants to buy a new movie to add to his collection. He only wants to buy a movie if he already has more than 15 movies of that type. So we're going to use the inequality M is greater than 15, where M is the number of type of movie to determine which types he can buy. So M has to be more than 15. Is 18 greater than 15? Yep. Is 24 greater than 15? Yep. Is 12 greater than 15? No. Is 15 more or greater than 15? No, it'd be equal. But it doesn't say equal, it says greater than. So there's only 2 types, action and comedy. Okay. Let's go to number 7. This is the last one. Oopsie daisy. Meant to do that. Okay, number 7. The number of text messages Layla sent each month is shown in the table. She can send no more than 55 messages. Okay, so she can send 55, but no more. It's 55 or less. No more than 55 each month without being charged. Use the inequality T is less than or equal to 55, where T is the number of text messages in a month, to determine which month she exceeded her limit. If each additional text costs 25 cents, how much was Layla charged from January to April? Okay, cool. Let's figure this out. Okay, which months didn't charge anything? So it has to be T equals less than or greater than 55. Is 56 less than or greater than? No. So that one doesn't work. 57 less than? No. Is 55 less than or equal? Okay, so that first one's a no. That's a no. That's a yes. Okay. And then April, is 51 less than or equal to 55? Yes. So the 2 months she doesn't get charged anything is March and April. The 2 months she does get charged something will be January and February. Now, how many over did she go in January? She could do 55 or less. She just went 1 over, so January equals 1 text over. And in February, 57 is 2 more than 55. So that time she went 2 over. So in February, that equals 2 text over. And these are fine, no extras. So from January to April, in total, she went a total of 3 texts over. And it says that each text over costs a quarter. 3 texts over, the total cost would be 75 cents. Okay. All right. Hopefully you did pretty good. Let me know if you have any questions. Get your worksheet checked, and then you can go on to do the extra practice on page 623, and you're going to do numbers 15 through 20.